Is your Apple Watch not vibrating even though sounds are working? This usually happens because of haptic settings, do not disturb mode, or a system glitch. No need to panic, folks. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the vibration not working issue on your Apple Watch. So let's get started. Before we start, make sure to turn off do not disturb mode, Bluetooth, and silent mode. Now follow my advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check haptic settings. Open up the settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down, tap sounds and haptics. Now tap haptics and choose between default and prominent. Prominent adds a more noticeable vibration. Solution 2. Check notification settings for specific apps. Now grab your iPhone, open the Watch app, tap My Watch from the bottom, tap Notifications. Scroll down to the list of apps and tap on the app you're not getting vibrations from. Make sure to select Allow Notifications. Under Alerts, check if Haptic is enabled. Solution 3. Force restart Apple Watch. Now connect your charger to your Apple Watch. Then press and hold the buttons on both sides and the digital crown simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. Now hold off and wait to restart. Now go and check whether your issue is solved or not. Hope you found the proper solution to this problem and solved the vibration not working issue on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.